Okay, so here we have your email. And if we want to scroll down, let's find something that's got a photo in it. Looks like there's something right there. I'm going to view this photo. It clicks, it opens. Oops, not a photo, so let's not do that. Let's go find a photo. I know you've got photos. Photos. This looks promising. Let's see what they are. Perfect. Here's a photo. I'm going to view it. Waiting for Comcast to do its thing. Okay, and it's a photo. Look at that. What a lovely photo that is. Alright. So, just wanted to make sure it was a photo. I'm going to download this photo. And you will see at the bottom of your screen, it is now downloading 2 photos as a zip file. I'm sorry for that. That's not what I meant to do. Let's find one that has 1 photo just to make life easier, but let's see what we got. Aha. Alright, we're going to download this photo. Look at that. Down here in the bottom left, you can see it's downloaded that photo. Now, I'm going to open that photo. And that photo opens in your Photos app right here. Right? Fantastic, amazing. And then you say Save As, and it will go to wherever you would like. In this case, it's going into my This PC Pictures folder. But it could go into whatever pictures folder you want it to go in. So let's just say I wanted to put it in Saved Pictures. And I can change the name if I want. Or I could just leave it whatever it was. And then hit Save. And you see it saves a copy. Life is all good. So that's version 1. That's the easiest way for you to remember how to do it. Version 2 is a little different. Version 2, you do the same thing where you download that photo, and it downloads down here, right there. Now for that, you can see it actually puts it in your folder Downloads. In my desktop, that's over here. So if I open that folder, it goes in here. And you can see, because I have them all arranged like this, I can see that photo. Well, how do you know it's that photo, you say? Well, it's because I'm smart. But in the moment, I can go extra large icons up here in the View tab. And it says, okay, look, there it is. So in that case, if I wanted to, I could move over here and let's just say I wanted to put it in another folder. I open another folder. Let's just say I want to put it in my Dropbox. And in Photos. I could then go back to the original one, take this, click with a left click on the mouse, drag it over here, and let go. And voila! It puts it right there. You see, it moved it out of here and into there. It's a miracle. Amazing. It's wonderful. How about that? No more loneliness in the desert.